So what is the plan of action of the meeting? What happens now?
No, the position was reviewed by the Honorable Chief Minister and all the senior ministers, the Technical Advisory Committee members, the experts, all of them participated in the meeting.
So what decisions have been taken now, sir?
The decisions have been taken to intensify the testing and also accelerate the vaccination process. Already Bangalore is one of the high vaccinated cities in the country, but we need to see that people are more and more protected. Some restrictive orders are also getting issued, which includes that only doubly vaccinated people may be able to enter certain specified public places.
Sir, and what about vaccination? Are you making compulsory because two vaccinations? Because most of them.
That's what I said. That certain public places only doubly vaccinated people can come. So this kind of orders are likely to be issued shortly by the state government. Accordingly, we will take action.
And the people don't have to panic now because we don't have to.
There is no need for any kind of panic. There is no need for any kind of panic. Across the world, it was pointed out there is no severely ill or death kind of cases pertaining to this new virus.
So there is an African who 10 people are missing. Actually, how you will be tracing them?
You see, all the contacts have been traced in respect of the people who have been identified as Omicron. All cases have been traced and they are being tracked. In respect of certain older cases, the positives have been identified, and some of them, about 20 days back, 30 days back, we have taken the records, the manifest from the airport, and we are also going to track them as well. So that action is being taken.
Sir, there is a fraud report actually. Somebody has brought the fraud report actually, medical report, and they are submitted to the airport authorities. So how you will
I am not aware about the fraud reports. If there is, in any case, there is a compulsory testing in respect of number of people. Okay, thank you so much.